A new generation Hyundai Kona Electric is reportedly under development. With the Korean carmaker focusing on the future Ioniq range, a new Kona Electric may not seem as attractive. But it looks as if the Kona Electric will continue as a cheaper alternative to the Ioniq series SUVs. Here's what we know about the 2023 Kona Electric. Codenamed SX2, the new model appears larger than its predecessor, as per spy shots. The prototype continues with the split headlamp design and will feature vertical headlamps like the Palisade and Tucson. It may feature a full-width LED DRL and amplified front-wheel arches, as per the unofficial render by the YouTube channel Gotcha Cars. The 2023 Kona Electric's cabin will not be devoid of physical buttons. The buttons have an aluminum finish, and there are rotary knobs for climate settings. It will also feature a twin-screen layout, similar to the 2023 Kia Niro EV. Other features on the new Kona Electric include rear AC vents, power-adjustable front seats, heads-up display, and a column-mounted gear selector. It is also expected to offer a range of advanced driver assistance systems. The list will include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and more. The new Kona Electric will continue to be based on a multi-energy platform. It could get similar mechanical upgrades as the 2023 Kia Niro EV. It may get a 64.8 kilowatt-hour battery with an estimated range of 253 miles. The front axle-mounted electric motor could deliver 201 horsepower and 188 pound-feet of torque. Production of the next-gen Kona Electric could start at Hyundai Motor Group's Ulsan plant in South Korea in 2023. Rivals will include the Chevrolet Bolt EUV and the Kia Niro EV. That said, Hyundai has hinted that a lower Ioniq model might eventually replace the Kona Electric. The company is focused on electrification and plans to introduce 17 new EVs and sell 1.87 million electric cars by 2030. If you like this video, subscribe to Top Electric SUV and hit the bell icon to stay notified of all the latest electric vehicle news.